Hi, my name is Ariel Hayter, physical therapist, Pilates instructor, and Pilates studio owner of Pilates Sante in Los Gatos, California. And today I just wanted to review a functional squat exercise for my Pilates Sante clients, but also for any of you that might be interested in learning how to bend and lift objects. A lot of us, when we have back pain, start to question our body mechanics. How should we lift? How should we bend? Should we at all? And so today I'm going to teach you what's called the hip hinge strategy. So I'll be turning to the side so you can see me here. And what I'm going to be doing is placing my feet just a little wider than hip distance. And as I start to bend my knees, I'm going to sit my tailbone back, my hips come back. The reason we call this the hip hinge strategy is that we're literally creating a hinge at the front of our hip joint. If I were to do this from my back, what it would look like is something like this. And some of us naturally start to do this kind of movement because we can, but also because we actually think that's going to protect us. When we have back pain, we sometimes start to round over and move that way. So it's made feel counterintuitive at first, but you're going to keep your back actually flat. And then you're going to use your hips, particularly your glute muscles, to do this movement. It doesn't have to be a big movement, but you should start to feel your back chain turning on. The hips go back, my weight's in my heels, and then I come up on standing. All you really need to see in this video is my hips. Okay, nothing else is happening down below, but I'm starting to reach maybe for an object on the floor, and then I bring that up and in toward me as I bring my pelvis underneath me. Hips go back, hinging at the front of the hips, and then drawing my hips underneath me to stack back up. I'd love to hear any comments from you about how you bend and squat. If you have questions or concern, please follow us on social media and subscribe by hitting the bell for more free educational content. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much.